record. Yeah. Now you guys are being recorded. I believe we should be good to go. Yay. All right. So we have Monday, August 17th, as I have now my giant screen I'm trying to use to look up at you guys as I go through and do this whole teachy thing. So instead of little tiny faces, I get a slightly better view of your guys' entire heads up there as we get into it. The thing that was due yesterday, which is the quiz about facts and opinions. If you have not done that yet, that is a thing that you're going to want to get done because we're going to be touching on things here in just a moment. I have a small activity-ish thing that we're going to be doing with that one. And so if you've not done it, you need to get it done. And I'm grading them and putting them up there. Tomorrow, we go back to this schedule. So you guys will not see me tomorrow because tomorrow is only periods 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the 50 minutes. And then you guys will get to see me coming up on Wednesday with the 5, 6, 7, and best, just to make sure you guys are good. So I know I had a lot of kids who are struggling this morning getting into the right classes. They all tried to go to best as opposed to coming to first period. I'm just trying to have you guys not be the ones that get embarrassed. That would be awful. On my Canvas page, I have the new thing set up for this week. There is no special page for today because I just had you kids present. Some of my classes, that's all we did. You guys, we get to go a little bit further, and you're going to get to play a small game-like thing. We'll show you here in just a second. Tomorrow, and then for you guys on Wednesday, there is a page that you're going to go to, which will be on there, which will help you out. I said Pachewy. Small world slides you guys did. Those of you who just presented today, which was just Caleb and Jamira, I will update yours and Skyward to give you guys the new grades there. With this one, here was the issue we had going into the dress code one and the face mask one, was sort of figuring out how facts and opinions work. I think a lot of you guys understood facts and opinions. It was as far as making sure you used facts and opinions from the actual articles. So that's what we're going to take a look at here in just a moment. And then there, the outfit, and then there, the high school thing we did. So yay to that one. All right. So again, if you are one of my handful of kids, and I still have about 6 kids in here who have not taken the quiz, it does drop your grade down by 1 point. It means the max you can get is a 13 out of 14, but still an A. And so you're going to want to make sure you get that quiz done. I'm not really giving away answers today, but I am going to try and help you with it. There's the links to the articles in case you need them, and that's how you take the quiz. You go clicky, clicky. All right. So here's what I want to do with you guys. I want to try a little experiment because I had a lot of kids who were messing up whether it's a fact or an opinion. So using your little hand symbols on there, I'm going to show you a statement, and if you think it is a fact, you're going to do the thumbs up sign, not with your actual hand, but the little button. If you think it's an opinion, you're going to do clappy prayy hands. If you think it is neither one, meaning it is not a fact and not an opinion, you're going to do the little hand raisy thing, and so I can pop up from there. Or, let me test this real quick. Do you guys have the heart? Does the heart work for you guys? See if you can bring up heart. We'll change the heart if that one works. Let's see if it actually works. And I have hearts come up or not. I'm not seeing any hearts. I see clappy hand, but that's not a heart. So apparently hearts are not a thing. That's what I wanted to make sure. I wouldn't taunt you. That's still clappy hands. You're still clapping your hands. All right. And then that's Dylan is raising his hand, which is a different thing again together. All right. So let's go to. All right. Then I will avoid the hearty thing because apparently it does not like that one. All right. So here's the first one. So here is my question to you. The one I'm going to show you, which is this. It says, it wouldn't have been difficult to add even a single slide about face masks to their extensive presentation. Now, part of the issue we had is that a fact? Is that an opinion? Or is that neither? So you're going to do whether you think it's an opinion or you think it's a fact that was pulled from the article. I see. Looks like most. I guess, by the way, those of you who might be confused, you can cheat off other people if you do the screen where you're looking at everybody. But yeah, so you guys have opinions. See? Agreed. And that one is actually straight from the article. They quoted the lady who wrote it, and she was saying that you could have added a slide in there. Good job, opinion. All right, let's try this one. She believed that she had a right to take pictures and film in the school. This is about the second article about the face mask. So is that a fact from the article, an opinion from the article, and neither from the article? I'm going to try a thing real quick. I see. Ooh, I'm seeing, and I'm waiting. Ooh, I see. One kid raised his hand. And it looks like sort of a split and a hand raise on that one. Ooh, so Caleb, you did both a fact and a hand raise. So I'm trying, no. You can go ahead and unmute yourself for a second, Caleb, if you're trying to tell me which one it is.
I didn't mean to.
All right.
I was trying to press something else.
On this one, the correct answer is neither. It is not a fact or an opinion. Now, for those of you who got it right with your hand raising, can you tell me why it is not an actual opinion from the article? Go for it, Caleb. What can you tell me?
So I don't know if this is going to be correct, but
that's how we find out.
I realized that, so she did believe it, and so, okay. It says she believed that she had the right to take pictures in it. So that's a fact that she believed, but the opinion is that she believed. Okay, I'm confused, but I just know it's neither.
I believe you took a lot of kids with you on that confusion. Not bad. So then to help you out on that one, I agree. This is an opinion. The problem is it is not an opinion in the article. This was never actually stated in there. So one of the things that threw a lot of kids off when they did their quiz was you stated your own opinion as opposed to an opinion in the article. So you had to give me an opinion that was from the actual article. This thing is never actually stated in there. All right, let's try another one. I completely understand why a dress code is put into place, but I feel like after I put on that jacket, it should have been subdued, Summer says. So is that an opinion from the article, a fact from the article, or neither? Ooh, I'm seeing splits both ways. About half and half so far. Interesting. All right. Then, by using your actual hand that you can wave at me, does anyone feel strongly enough that you can tell me why you feel it's either a fact or opinion to try and convince the other ones? Because I'm going to tell you, one of you is right. It is definitely a fact or an opinion. I have no one who feels brave yet. All right. Oh, wait. Caleb, you're feeling brave again? After you did so well on the last one, how dare I take it away from you? All right, Caleb, which one did you say it was? And then tell us why.
I said it was an opinion because, it's, okay, so if it were a fact, it would be saying that, it like was subdued or it, wasn't subdued. And because it is an opinion, it says, but I feel like after I put on that jacket, it should have been subdued.
Disco. That's the big word. When she says, I feel, that was the way you're letting you know that it is an opinion, because as soon as you put your feelings into it, that takes it away from being a fact. So on that one, it is a fact. I pulled it from the article, but it's an opinion that is actually written. All right, let's try this one. She got suspended for what she believed in as well because there was like nobody wearing masks, and she posted it and got suspended from the school. Is this a fact from the article, an opinion from the article, or is it neither? Looks like, interesting, we're split so far. And nope, we're starting to lean more towards, ooh, I see a lot more of the blue hands going up. All right. All right, blue hand people who say it's neither. That's a bold move to go with. Someone that's not Caleb. Let's go with someone who feels strong. So I get to pick on Eli, Michaela, Caleb, other team Eli. Any of you guys feel, oh, no, let's do this. I'm going to randomly pick on a kid. We're going to pick on Michaela. We're going to make you be brave. All right, Michaela, why do you say neither?
I say neither because it's not really a fact or an opinion, because an opinion is basically, what somebody feels like, and a fact is something that everybody knows basically, and for neither for me, it's I don't know, I just feel like it's neither, I guess.
Your opinion is that it's neither, because I heard the word feel in there. Nicely strong on that one. All right, I agree with that one. She is correct on this one. It is neither. It is not an opinion or a fact. It is a kid's opinion that they put down for the homework, but that is not actually in the article. They just wrote their opinion about how they felt. That's one of those tricky ones where it is technically an opinion. It is just not from the actual article. All right. Let's try one more. I think her opinion was you should wear masks to be safe and not put others at risk. Is that an opinion from the article, a fact from the article, or neither? All right, let's see. One, there. And seem to split three ways on there. All right, blue people. Let's see how strong you feel. Oh, no, we're going back. Choosing differently. All right, let's go with Morgan. We're going to pick on you for this one. Morgan, why do you say it's an opinion?
I think it is an opinion because it says I think in the beginning.
Not bad. All right. Then Jarnail, you said it's neither. Morgan said it says I think, and you said neither. So Jarnail, why are you saying neither?
Isn't it neither because it's not actually in the article?
Jarnail, how dare you use actual information? Good job, Jarnail. It is an opinion, but it is neither because it was not actually in the article. That is, again, just a random kid's opinion and thought about what happened. So that would be one that is neither opinion nor fact. As an opinion, it has to be one that is written in the article. That one was not in there. Good job, Jarnail. I thought I could trick you out of it, but apparently you were too smart. All right, well, actually, I lied. I have one last one. There we go. Here's your last one. The New York Times released a story in which the school superintendent addressed the situation. Fact, opinion, neither. Ooh, Caleb with authority on that one. All right. There. Excuse me. All right, Chloe, you came in strong and hard on that one. Why do you say that's a fact?
I think it's a fact because it's an exact quote from the text. I remember reading that from the text.
Chloe, you are correct. Well done. That was an exact text pulled from it. So as I've been going through, I have to get rid of this, make that disappear. Go you guys there. Stop it. Back to me. So as we went through as I've been going through and grading, that's been the biggest issue, is figuring out the difference between facts and opinions and what got pulled from the story and what did not get pulled from the story. So if you have not done it yet, that would be a thing I would say to go in and fix. Those of you who have, if you want to go in and change, you are more than welcome to. What I'm going through and doing is grading them on how well you could find facts and opinions in the actual articles. And that's what we're going to be hitting on again, I would say tomorrow. But for you guys, it'll end up being Wednesday. We're going to come back and hit all of these again. Your only homework for me is if you've not turned in that quiz, it's late, but go ahead and get it done. If you got it done and you want to do better on it, and you realize that you might have scribboogered it, you can go back and fix it. But let's be honest, most of you are lazy, and there is no way you're going to do that, and you're just going to accept whatever grade you get, and I'm fine with that. Learning is overrated anyway. All right, that's it. Class is over. Time flies when I get to make fun of kids. You're off to sixth period. Well, have fun.
Bye.
Toots.